Hey guys, Logan from AFLK Productions. Today I'm at Needful Things Charlotte. I have an address for it at the end of the video, and I just got done setting up my model train section in here. In my dad's trains that he used to have. So I'm gonna run through what I have here and see if anybody's interested in them. And if you can, come on down and buy them. Like I said, I'll put an address at the end of this video. So I kind of designed my section for, like, up here I have my HO scale trains with no box and my DC test track. These are my train cars that need work, and I have a cold load in there for my miscellaneous stuff. I have my DC test track and a throttle down here for it. And then I have all my train engines and cars that I have in boxes down here, priced. And then my dad has all of his O gauge stuff, some throttles down here, and some O gauge track. So let me run through exactly what I have. So I have a Norfolk Southern F9A DC. I have a chassis system U36B. He's just a standard DC. I have a Santa Fe boxcar, two hoppers, one Norfolk, one's Western, one Wisconsin Central, a Santa Fe boxcar, a Southern gondola, a Erie and Lake Earring, I don't know, something like that, gone, a Southern hopper, a Norfolk Southern caboose, a BNSF caboose, and a 3-car ore set. For my need work section, I have this Santa Fe boxcar. It just needs new wheels and hitches, so I have it for cheaper amount. And then this Beeling Lake Erie coil car. He just needs wheels on one section. And then I have this coal load, which I think it's a Bachman. Down here, I have my one DCC engine. It's my C-Dot P40 DC. It's $50. It's C-Dot Atherin, ready to roll. When I sell this, I will get a actual Amtrak P42. I got two Norfolk and Western 40-foot coal cars, hoppers, and then underneath them I have a Canadian National hopper. I have a Lennon hopper, Santa Fe hopper down there, two Santa Fe stock cars, the Great Northern stock car, Santa Fe stock car again, a City Services tanker, a New Haven boxcar, a Swift Premium reefer, and then a ATSF caboose. And then down here I have my 3 Con Amtrak Phase 2 Superliners. I have 3 of them, $15 a piece. I'm going to buy good coaches, like great couches, like probably after when I get the money from those. And then just to run through what my dad has for low scale right here. Then here's the throttles and the trucks and all in here. I'd probably put like a table over here with like a train set on it. That would be depending on what I decide to do. So I'll include a couple pictures from the store. Thank you guys for watching.